If you have fine hair or thin hair, you have to try this messy bun hack. It is a game changer. It's gonna make your bun look so much fuller than it actually is. Let's go ahead and get into it. So my hair, it is very fine. I have a lot of it, but it's fine. It's not thin, it's fine. There is a difference between the two. When I do messy buns, most of the time I like to leave some hair out in the front. If you don't have face framing pieces, of course, skip this step. I'm just gonna split my hair evenly into two sections, just a top section and a bottom section. Do make sure they are somewhat equal as you can get them. You're just gonna take your hair tie, place it around once, twice, however many times you need to, but on the last tie, you are just gonna place that hair tie over your ponytail a couple inches down so it forms a little bun like this. We've all done this bun before, right? Super simple. Then you are gonna take your second hair tie, and this is why we're using really stretchy hair ties so it doesn't give us headaches or hurt our head. Then you're just gonna pull up the rest of your hair right underneath that little bun we just did. And you're gonna do another little bun. So exactly the steps that we just did. You can see how I added in the ponytail from this top bun into my second ponytail here. So just do a bun, just like we did, pulling your hair tie over a little bit, like this. Okay, so we have two buns here. And you can just kind of pinch and pull them. You don't want them to be too loose and saggy and droopy. Then you are just gonna take a third hair tie. I'm just using a rubber band because I cannot find another nylon hair tie, and I'm just gonna put it over these two like this. I'm not even gonna do it tight. So now it looks like one big bun, and you can kind of fluff it out however much you want. Then I'm gonna take my bobby pin. You guys know the drill. Meta grip always, ridges down, insert. We're gonna take those ends, we're gonna twist them around our finger, and we're just gonna wrap them all the way around. And I can only go this far down, so I'm just gonna insert my bobby pin, ridges down, underneath, and up into the bun. So it should look something like this when you are all said and done. Then you can just kind of do some final touches, like pinching and pulling the top for some fullness and some texture. Now, if the sides kind of bother you right here, just insert a bobby pin and kind of close them so it looks more like one bun instead of two. And you can do the same thing with the other side, if you please. It didn't really bother me that much, but looking in the mirror, I could see how it would bother some people. And that is it. This bun looks like I have way more hair than I actually do. So I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment. New videos every Sunday. I love you guys. Thanks for being here. Bye.